How to set up level roles up in Discord server. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the very first step is to go on the Google Chrome. On the top search bar you can simply search for arcane.board. Now what you need to do is add the arcane on your Discord. So after adding it, just select a server for that. After you've selected the server, just add it. Now you should prove you're human. So that's how we have already added the arcane right here. Now accept the invite and now you have joined it. Now what you need to do is follow the following steps right here. Go on the server settings and then you need to go on the level roles and you can simply give any change on there right there. The steps are going on the server settings and move the role and out role over the roles you want to assign new members with and choose the roles, like use the command and out role, and in the next menu you can simply select the desired roles and that's how you are done. So use this all steps and see if it works or not. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.